Ciao beautiful people! Today we're gonna make one of those magical sweets that looks really fancy but in reality are super easy to make. I Ventagli di Sfoglia. I'm doing a challenge since it's January, also known as Veganuary. I'm making all the sweet vegan. So instead of using butter, I'm using margarine. But trust me, the result will be amazing. So let's start! To make the puffy pastry dough, 480 grams of Manitoba flour, which is 4 cups, 1 pinch of salt, 240 milliliters of water, which is 1 cup, 200 grams of margarine, which is 7 ounces, and some granulated sugar for rolling and coating. Let's start from the dough. Put in your standing mixer the flour, a pinch of salt, and the water. Nice! Now, with the help of this, il gancio, we're going to create the panetto. It has to be really smooth.
A few minutes later.
When the dough is well combined and super smooth, let it rest for a few minutes because it has to relax. Meanwhile, we can take our rolling pin and some flour. We're gonna need it. Now sprinkle with some flour, not too much, and roll it just a little bit. In this way, the dough. Take your block of margarine and place it in the middle like this. Fold the dough over the margarine so it's completely sealed. Now roll. Let's start really gently. Now it's time for the fold. That's how we create those beautiful layers. The first one will be la piega a tre, like this. And then, before we go forward, we have to cover these and put it in the fridge for at least 10 minutes. In this way, the margarine inside won't melt. Take the plastic wrap and cover. See you in 10 minutes.
Later.
And here it is. And let's continue. Now I'm gonna make la piega a quattro. You have to do it like this, and then this. Alright, and roll again. And that's it. What do we need now? We need sugar, baking tray with silicone mat, but it's also okay, parchment paper, and a knife. Let's start by cover all the surface with the granulated sugar. Press a little bit, and also the other side. Once you sprinkle with the sugar, remember to preheat the oven to 200 Celsius, which is about 390 Fahrenheit, in static mode. Let's start by rolling, like this, one side, and also the other side. Once you have this, let's cut them, dip it into the sugar again, and then put it in the silicone mat. Bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once it's halfway through, so it's past 5 minutes, you have to flip them, so they will caramelize all sides. Let's do it! And here they are, our delicious Ventagli di Sfoglia. Super crispy, golden, and irresistible. The perfection! Alright, now my favorite part, I'm gonna try. Poetry for me. If you bake them, don't forget to send me your photo. I love to see your creation. Here? Yes. See you soon! Ciao! Baci!